Good day to you all. Welcome back. Today I have an amazing story that I love to share with you. How did I land at this home service or got a cleaning job here that I'm working on? So this is a story. I was in a neighbor doing some work, finished already. On the way back, I passed by this home over here. I noticed a gentleman was on a wheelchair. Try with the long extension pole, a tree. Tree sprung. It's a tool that cut down tree branches. So I saw him on a wheelchair, try to extend a pole up and cut down those branches. I couldn't, I couldn't let that slide. So I passed already. I make a U-turn. I come back, park on the side street, and I ask him, "Sir, would you like, a hand? I can give you a hand. So you just show me what you need to take down. I'll help you out." At first, he and his wife didn't they was hesitate. They didn't want me to do it because they didn't know who I was, and I just randomly stopped by and asked to help. I know that it's in the world, in the time of not a lot of people get used to helping other people, I guess. But I offer him a hands, and take me a while to convince him. It's not easy because sometimes kindness doesn't mean that you can always get it understood right away. So it took me a couple minutes to convince him to let me to do it. So I tell him, after he agreed, I tell him to sit back a little bit, and show me which branches want me to take it down, and he saw me. I took it down for him. Then we have a little bit of chatting when I'm working, and hey, what do you do for work? Do you do tree trimming and landscaping? I said no, I was happened to be in the neighbor doing working one of the neighbor, roof gutters cleaning and solar panel cleaning. I said, wow, that's cool. And continue on, fast forward, get it done with all the branches that he wanted to take down. And at the end, we all done, wrap it up, little chat. And he asked me, how much do I owe you? I said, nothing, you don't owe me anything. I just want to give you a hand, and I don't want to see you spending a long time to be out here, and it's cold and about to rain too. And he was doing that. We finished everything, and he thanks me, and he said, well, may as well just give me seniority here, helping me out. Can you give me a call on the gutter cleaning? I said, all right, let me take a quick look, and I'll give you a quick quote. So I walk around. His house is huge, and gutters all around the house, all packed, all filled with leaves, debris, algae for many years. He didn't have it cleaned yet. So I give him a quote. Didn't judge him much though. Even though it's a big house, I didn't judge him much. Okay, I understand that elderly, senior, and retiree, they live on a fixed income. They don't have much extra to spend. So I give him a very reasonable price, and we agree on the price. I schedule him a day to come back to do it. That's why I'm here. I'm doing a job. You can see, clear out all the debris in the gutters, and we all done. So the story is to share with you that kindness goes a long way, or sometimes we call it pay it forward. You may not get back right away, or you may not get back from the same person, but eventually you'll get back, maybe from another person, a lot more than what you give. Giving is the starting process of receiving. That's if I say it right. So giving start a process of receiving. So start giving more, and eventually you will receive back. Don't expect that you will receive it right away. Sometime in the future, maybe, I don't know exact the time, but you'll receive it back down the road. But don't expect that you will receive it from the same person or receive back right away. Kindness goes a long way. That's what I learned from my grandparents. from my mom, my parents say, all kindness goes a long way. Helped out the elderly, the one that in need help, and you will, in return you receive maybe a smile, some form of return. We don't know what that is. Sometimes you land up with a job. Sometimes you land up with some type of return. We don't know. It's the universe thing that if you believe in it. And yeah, so that's the story that I got with this gentleman, this homeowner, and that's how I landed this job. I want to share with you to show that a little bit of kindness to other people. Be kind, and you will, in return, you will receive something back. But don't expect it. You will receive it right away, or from that same person, maybe from another person that they pass by, or sometime down the road. But it will be there when you do it. The universe see it. It's not religion or anything. I'm just saying that the universe is always seeing things that we don't see, or doing things that we don't expect. Well, thank you all for stopping by. That's my little story that I would love to share with you. If you have story, share with us. Share with us. Spread the kindness and do good thing for the people. Hope you enjoy it, and thank you for your support. And I know that it's been a journey. A lot of you have been support me, give me a thumbs up and support me, like doing a good job. All those comments, I read every single comment of you. Those are amazing, and that keep me going. Besides motivating you all, inspire you all, I just want to share with you those stories so we can learn from each other and share the kindness with others. Hope you enjoy it. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next video. And Happy New Year, you all. 2024 about to end. Welcome 2025. Make 2025 a great year for you and for your family.